Here's a 2016 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth hands-free link, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, continuously variable automatic transmission, manual telescoping steering column, USB port, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be: another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.